What's up, so friends? It's your girl K Stu, and welcome back to my page, kCharles Couture. Hey, if you're brand new to my page, welcome. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of the videos I'm going to be posting for you each week. Now, we're doing part 2, y'all, about Black history, paying homage to our Black designers. This is Byron Lars, 1996. This is how old this pattern is. It's definitely a vintage pattern. And when I tell y'all Vogue does what Vogue do, it gave me the business. Listen, I made this pattern probably in 2002, maybe 2001, maybe even 1999. I'm not sure exactly when I did this pattern, but I'll tell you this. When I did the pattern back then, I really didn't have any skills. Now that I have a little bit of skills, Vogue is still giving me the business, y'all. Vogue like to give you a lot of pieces. So the first things first, let's go ahead and get all these pieces cut out. And I'm going to make sure that anything that needs to be interfacing. This video you're going to see is actually going to be view A or B on the shirt. You will see view C on a later video, but I am cutting out both shirts in this video. So let's begin, and I'll be back in a second. And y'all know my motto, please do not forget to cut out your notches and make your marks. Y'all go ahead and get you some washable markers from the Dollar Tree. Make sure that you're putting in those marks because they are going to be so important to you later on. I know you're probably thinking, is she still cutting? But y'all know this Vogue and they 27-piece set. Listen, when you doing a Vogue, just be prepared to cut a lot of pieces. But I am almost at the finish line, so let's keep going. Hey, so friends, so unfortunately, all the video footage that I took actually putting the shirt together, it was accidentally deleted. Listen, I've been having issues with my camera equipment, but I have some new stuff on the way. So hopefully by the next time you see a new video, I won't have these issues, especially when I'm doing view C. So hopefully that won't be the issue, and we'll be able to kind of talk about it as I'm doing it. But in the meantime, I did take a couple of pictures in between, and those were actually saved to my backup. So I do have the pictures, so I'll just go over those pictures and let you know what process I'm at that point. Now, by the time you see this, I've already gotten the sides seams and the front and the back sewn together at the shoulder seams and at the side seams. Next, I'm going to be working on my collar. And you can see I have a very detailed, that's my interface piece. I want to make sure I get my collar lapel nice and crispy. I went ahead and added the belt to the shirt like it asked me to do, and I've added the top part of our interfacing and the collar. Y'all, I really love it. I'm loving the way this shirt is coming out. I love the way it's fitting. Listen, this is the time when you want to try your things on. Before you put your sleeves on, go ahead and put that shirt on and actually see how it's fitting on you, how it's laying on you. Right now, you can see I'm looking because I have my interface and I have not done my top stitching yet. But I want to make sure that everything is laying flat. Especially lapels. You know, February is about lapels and my collars. So I want to make sure that my collar is nice and crispy. And as you can see, it's looking nice and crispy. I did not put the under collar on. I wasn't really sure what we needed it for, so I just kind of left it off my pattern. You don't have to leave it off of yours, but trust me, you don't need it. So this is what we have so far. And I'm really impressed about what's going on. I need to get rid of some of these strings. And don't worry about those markings. Like I told you, those are waterproof. By the time I iron this shirt, those markings will be gone. And of course, there's some strings over here. But look how crispy my lapel is, y'all. And I haven't even given it a good press yet. Wait till I give it a good press and top stitch it. Oh my God, it's going to look fabulous. I'll be right back. Now, you see me, I have the shirt on. Again, this is the time you want to try on your garments. Make sure they fit. Make sure they fit in the way you want them to fit. Now, I told you when I bought this pattern in 96, I cut out a size 8. I didn't know at the time that a size 8 is, and it was a little big back then, but who knew that the size 8 is what I would need in the future, some 20 plus years later. And guess what? Look how the lapel is laying. It looks just like the pattern piece. I'm impressed. Now it's time for me to go ahead and add my sleeves. And y'all know I'm excited because not only on my sleeves, I get to add my plackets. And I'm going to be using my new way to do my plackets on my shirt. So stay tuned. This is what I got so far before I added any facing or anything on there. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, y'all, so you don't miss my new videos. Here you can see an up close of the side seams and the front seams. You see those pleats in the back. Don't forget your darts and your pleats on your shirt. It's so important. Listen, when I started working on this collar and this lapel, I was a little nervous. But I can tell you that being consistent and sticking with the process that you're learning is going to make you so much better. I am seeing that already, and I'm just a month in to doing some things to make myself better. Y'all, I love the way this shirt look. I did the top stitching on it, and it looks absolutely amazing. It's laying perfectly. Okay, now it's time to go ahead and get these sleeves on. Look at these shirt plackets, y'all. I am so impressed with myself. Hey, listen, And it didn't even take me that long to get them on. I am too impressed with kCharles Couture. Listen, be consistent with the little things. It's the small and the little things that add up. So this is the shirt. It's done. All my sleeves have been attached to it, and I'm in love. Like, I knew this red shirt was going to be nice, and I saw it, and I was like, oh, I don't have a red shirt. But I'm totally impressed with this one. Byron Lars, thank you so much for this pattern. I'm looking forward to view C. See y'all in the next video. Peace out.